What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody is having an awesome day. As you guys can tell, it is nighttime and it is extremely wet and rainy outside. It is completely pouring right now, and I just got this package in the mail. Now, for those of you who don't know, because actually none of you guys should know this because I haven't talked about it all yet, but these are license plate lights. So the lights on my license plate, like that light up my license plate in the back of my car, have not worked since I got the car, and I didn't really realize it until somewhat recently. So I got myself a pair of Diode Dynamics LED license plate lights, and we're gonna go ahead and install these babies. All right, everybody, I just wanted to show you guys what all came in this package real quick, because if you were like me, you were wondering, you know, why a set of license plate LED lights came in such a big package here, and that is because I got a few more things besides the license plate LEDs. It's kind of a challenge to get this out of here with one hand, but there we go. So they sent me some sort of magazine, World Challenge America Fan Guide 2019. Pretty cool. It's got some cool cars and whatnot in it. Then they sent me a poster right here, Gen Racer poster, and I guess this is the owner's car right here, something like that. Then besides that, let me just go ahead and dump the rest of this out. That appears to be everything besides the receipt in there. And yeah, here's the rest of everything I got. So, a Gen Racer sticker, of course, the HP3 LED bulbs themselves for the, almost dropped the camera, for the license plate LEDs. And then right here, as you guys can see, this is just another little poster thing, but on the back is a 5% off code for genracer.com. Now, I figured that, you know, I would just give you guys this code. So first come, first serve. Whoever puts in this code first will get 5% off their next order on Gen Racer. So here you guys go. When you are ready to order, use the code 2020-115 to get 5% off. So yeah, there you guys go. Hopefully you can actually see that. But yeah, besides that, I got a just a little business card with the business number and whatnot on it, and then a Gen Racer pen. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick why this package was so big, because it came with a few more things than I ordered, and yeah, some pretty cool stuff. So first, you guys to claim this right here is going to get 5% off your next order on Gen Racer though. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right back into the video. All right, everybody, it's about 2 days later. The weather has finally gotten a bit nicer, I guess you could say. It's not snowing or raining out right now, but it's still damn cold. It's like 24 degrees outside. Ground's frozen. If it does snow, it's going to stick. But this is our first clear patch of weather, I guess you could say. So I've got the Genesis already backed into the garage a bit, because this is as far in here as I can get it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right to this. I'm gonna throw you guys up on the GoPro and we'll get started. All right, everybody, so we are down here behind the car. I'm pretty sure you guys can see everything fairly good. I mean, I know the lighting is definitely not the greatest in here, but unfortunately I don't have any way to do anything about it really. I mean, I can use this phone light to kind of try and help you guys see what I'm looking at, but this is actually should be pretty simple. Now, like I said before, license plate lights have not been working since I got this car, and I just haven't bothered with it. But I figured, you know what, it's time to go ahead and install some of these Diode Dynamics. These are HP3s. I do not remember if it is the 5000K or the 6000K. I want to say it's the 6000, but don't quote me. I can check and like put it in the description or something and let you guys know. But yeah, I guess let's just go ahead and get into this. So really, to start off, all you got to do is poke this clip right here, and it might honestly be easier by finger. Yeah, there we go. There we go, guys. Finally, after about 5 minutes of struggling, we have managed to get this out of here. Kind of. Why? So I'm not really sure what the problem is here, but mine don't seem to have much slack on them. I'm pretty sure all you got to do now is twist this. All right, everybody, I'm not even gonna lie, this was a whole lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, but it's because nobody's ever touched these things before, probably since this car was off the lot, off the factory line, whatever you want to say, and they were stuck, to say the least. But I finally got it. You just got to twist a little bit to the right, and then it should slide right on out of there. Should, like so. And it looks pretty clean inside there, but as you guys can see, we have got ourselves one old crusty bulb here that, let's go ahead and get it out. Get one of these diode dynamic LED bulbs in. I'm not honestly really sure which way to turn this thing, and it's not really trying to budge. Like, it's not budging at all. Oh, it just kind of pulled out of there actually. So, we got it out. I think you just have to kind of slide the old bulb out, and probably that means the new one just slide right in. So yeah, here's the old one, onto the new. All right, we have ourselves one diode dynamic LED light here, and there's a good look at it. It's just a little white clear light. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it plugged in now. All right, let's see, it should be lined up. There we go, baby. Clicked it on into place. Now, honestly, before we go ahead and hop into this next one and put this one back together, I'm going to start up the car, turn on the lights, and see if these actually work, and make sure I did not just waste my time, basically. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if these work. I finally got this right side off. I'm not lying to you guys when I tell you this probably took me 20 minutes. So I don't know if this is a problem with maybe where my car's a bit older and, like I said, was not taken care of the best by the previous owner or whatever. But basically this cord right here, like, okay, so basically it seems like these wires are connected. So when you pull this one, it shortens this one, and when you pull this one, it shortens that one. So you got to do it very, very tediously, kind of, and it's just kind of a pain in the ass, or it was for me anyway. So yeah, okay, finally got the outer housing off. Let's go ahead and get this old bulb out, get one of the new bulbs in, or get the last new bulb in. We'll start it up, make sure it works, and then I will show you guys how to put this back together. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, everybody, finally got the new bulbs in. We go ahead and hit this unlock button, and as you guys can see, both bulbs are glowing amazingly. Looks so good, man, honestly. So yeah, now should be the easiest part, and that is going to be putting the outer housing thingies, casing things back on. So yeah, I'm gonna throw you guys back up on the head mount, and then we'll get this finished up. So all you got to do is you take this thing. It's got like 3 little notches in it. That was a black cat, actually one of our black cats that just ran by. But it's got these 3 little like notches in it, and then this thing has 3 little notches on it. And I believe you just got to line them up and then twist it back into place like so. And then it should just pop right back in here. Like, what's going on here? Oh, that was kind of scary, and that's probably not what's supposed to happen. There we go, finally. One complete, back installed, held up nicely, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get onto this one, get this puppy installed, and I'll give you guys a nice good look at this. And bam, just like that, we have both of them installed again. Awesome, man. So yeah, I'm going to start up the car, let them both glow, show you guys what they look like during the daytime, even though it's pretty much almost nighttime. And then once it gets dark out, I'm gonna take out the camera and I'm gonna get you guys some real good shots of how good these things look in the nighttime. So yeah, I will see you guys then. Oh yeah, looking real nice from back here. Now, like I said, it is daytime right now, so it's kind of hard to tell, but as you guys can see, there's some LED goodness glowing down there. So I'm going to get everything cleaned up. I'm not going to actually start up the car. You can see them just the same as if the car was started when I unlocked the car. And actually that was locking it. There's unlocking it. So yep, there's the good look during the daytime. Let's go ahead, wait for it to turn dark outside, and I will show you guys the final look at this thing. Alright, as you guys can see, it is nighttime out now, and they're looking oh so good. Glowing in their full LED goodness. My car's not on, it's actually, I just keep unlocking and locking it so I can make these glow. But yeah, it turned out really good, I think. It makes the back of the car look a whole lot better just with the, you know, the white LED lights glowing down there. And overall, the install was actually pretty easy, if you want me to be honest. Like, if you have a newer car, it'll be that much easier for you just because, those won't be so hard to get out, like the housings or whatever. But yeah, besides that, I did want to say real quick, last video I was talking about, I didn't know if changing the key fob was actually going to fix my problem. Like, I was kind of afraid that maybe the receiver inside the car or whatever was messed up, but nope, changing it, as you guys can see, has solved the problem, so that is awesome. But yeah, other than that, that is really going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.